Good morning students, this is Kavita, Head Department of Commerce. In this video, I'm going to explain how to fill the Google form. Kindly fill this Google form with care because the details entered here will be sent to the university for your certificate and mark sheet purpose. So for that, this link will be sent in WhatsApp group. So kindly click on the link. The page will be opened as follows. Students details for online university registration. So first click the link and go through the documents which has to be attached, and after that you fill the details. So first for that you need a email address, your own email address. Don't use other email address. Create your own mail, which I told already morning. I told you to prepare a mail ID. So you enter that particular mail ID. Don't make any mistake. If you are doing a mistake, kindly intimate me that you have done the mistake. I will delete the thing which you have done and you can do it again. So the email ID, you will mention your email ID. The next is name with initial as per 12th mark statement. So refer your 12th provisional mark statement, how your name has been written in the mark statement. Likewise, you have to type it here. If there is space in the 12th mark statement, leave a space. Don't write on your own because the 12th mark statement and your certificate should be same. If there is any difference arises between your provisional as well as 12th mark statement, the certificate won't get valid. So for that reason I am telling, whatever information is available in the 12th mark statement, you have to fill it. So go through the mark statement, type the name. If the initial comes back, you have to type it back. And for name in Tamil, the Tamil name also would appear in the 12th mark statement. If it's not appeared in 12th mark statement, kindly refer the 10th mark statement. CBSE students can write on their own because in your mark statement the Tamil name will not be appear. So for typing the Tamil name, I will tell how to write your Tamil name. Go to the Google tab and click Convert English into Tamil. So the name, the transaction will be appear. So here write the name. If I want to convert my name, so I'm writing Kavita. So this here the name appears. So whatever the change you can do it here. So I don't need a space. So what I'm doing, copy it, Ctrl+C, copy it, come to the link and paste it here. So it will appear as Tamil. If you need any letters, just delete it. So go through the 12th mark statement. Whatever the Tamil name there, you have to mention as it is. So do it carefully because there should not be any difference between your 12th as well as college details, because then your degree won't get valid. So do with care. So name with initial in English. Here name in Tamil. So I have told what is the procedure. Go to the Google. Type convert name English from Tamil, type the name in English column, and in Tamil column you can see whatever the details needed, just copy it and paste it here. For copying, Ctrl+C, for pasting, Ctrl+V. And a date of birth column, mention first date 12, if it is July month 07, 12, 07 and 2019. If what is the date of birth, this should be also as per 12th mark statement. And your father's name or guardian name, whatever information be in the TC, that should be same. So the TC information should be matched here. So go see the TC, what is the name of your father correctly spelled, write it here, type it here. Then father's occupation, what work he is doing. If he is doing coolie, mention it as coolie, COOLI. So the annual income is a per annum. Don't mention it as monthly. You have to mention it for yearly. So mention it per annum. Then religion, whatever religion you belongs to, just mention it. And community, you refer the community certificate. What is the community which you belongs to? Then click on the particular. If it is a BC, kindly click on BC. Then subcaste is nothing but community subcaste would have been mentioned in the community certificate. If it is a Vellalar, mention it as Vellalar. If it is Adi Dravida, mention it as Adi Dravida. Then first go through the form and collect the details, then you fill the form. Then physically challenged. If you are physically challenged person, kindly click yes. If you are not physically challenged, you don't have any, then click it no. If you are physically challenged, kindly contact me through my phone number. So are you Indian? Yes. If you belongs to outside India country, mention as no. Address for communication, type your address fully. So includes from number to Chennai. And there are 2 phone numbers. One is, you can refer phone number for father's phone number. WhatsApp number can be your number. So give a 2 phone number. And the second language studied in 12th. So if you have studied Tamil, just click on Tamil. If you have studied French, click on French. Part 2 language to be selected for UG degree. So what degree you want to study, what subject you want to study in UG, either Tamil, French or Hindi. So mostly choose the subject which you are chosen in 12th, then only it won't create any problem. If you are studying French there, just mark French here. Then your 12th roll number, don't type the certificate number which is big. So near to the mark there will be a roll number or register number, 7-digit number. Kindly type that particular number. Board of study, if you are studying state board or CBSE, just click on it. Aadhaar card number, go through the Aadhaar card and type it correctly. This is for your reference. Then student passport size photo can be added. By student's passport size photo, if it is available, just add file. The portal will be opened. So I have to select file from my device. So I am going there. So where I have saved, just go to the space where I have saved my link here. So by clicking on it, pen drive details, I have stored in admission details. So for example, I am telling there is a photo available. Click on it and just click upload. So it will take time because you are saving a photo. So after clicking it, just submit. If any of the column is empty, surely it won't accept the form. So do it carefully, because the details will be sent to university for your mark sheet and certificate purpose in the college. So do it carefully. I hope you would have understood what you should do. So if you have any doubt, you can contact me. Thank you.